Are you ready to embark on a journey into the colorful world of anime and manga? A world where dreams come true and creativity is limitless. The ultimate destination for all you otakus. Imagine a place where the essence of your favorite anime series oozes from every corner. Limited edition posters, carefully designed phone cases, and custom keychains are waiting to decorate your space and express your fandom. With Sublistar, we harness the power of UV printing technology to bring your imagination to life. This revolutionary machine is the secret weapon behind our unique products, turning ordinary items into extraordinary collectibles. From custom badges featuring your favorite characters to limited edition quicks and crafts, each piece is made with care and passion. And because we use UV printing, the colors are vibrant, the designs are long-lasting, and the possibilities are endless. Low-cost investment, one-piece customization, and no need for plate making make UV printing technology stand out and become the perfect partner for you to start your entrepreneurial journey. So come visit us and let us create memories that will last a lifetime. Your anime adventure awaits you.